out, please, mate. Anyone behind, any issue? It's wide enough for 2 lanes there, doesn't it? So which one are you going to pick?
Right lane.
Okay, I wouldn't have done, but stay here now. I would pick the left. There's no reason to pick the right, mate. All you're going to do is just confuse people. You're potentially going to turn right. So now you've got an issue with filtering in, which it does. So it's not a problem. So when we go, we're going to keep up with the black one, but then be ready to deal with this idiot. Onto it?
Yeah.
He is a taxi driver, so you would expect him to drive like a bit of an arse and wouldn't have any appreciation for a learner. Let's see whether I'm right. We're going to try and keep up with the black one though, which really says to him, so yeah, off we creep, off we move. Come on, move now, a bit more. And there you go. What did I say?
Yeah. Hold back.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So you can spot them, and he wouldn't have any appreciation for anyone else. Straight on the roundabout, mate. So, what should we do? Get second gear in prep. What do you reckon? Can we use it?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Second.
Yes, look far. Second. How do you leave? Nice. Nice. That's better. That's better. Leave them signals because they click off. Sorry, mate. They click off when you straighten this.
Okay.
Get where I'm coming from?
Yeah.
It's just one extra thing that you're having to do with your hands. You don't need to. Concentrate on your steering. Really well done with what I said with the taxi driver.
Yeah.
Do you understand?
If you think that, you know,
Okay, sound.
I
That's you can just understand by certain people's mentality. Do you get where I'm coming from? But should you have chose lane 2?
No.
No. There was no reason to go in lane 2 because we weren't overtaking anyone. So maybe he chose that lane because he thought you were turning right, which was good, which was a good decision on his part. But honestly, he showed exactly his true colours when you kept up with the black one and then he still barged through. Alright, so understand how people work, understand the frame of mind of certain people on the road, and you can spot them a mile off. Be always ready to be positive, but always ready to submit and give in and go, yeah, whatever. Alright?
Okay. And
that's a lovely way to be driving on the roads nowadays. You have to be commanding in certain situations. Yeah? Alright, good job.